Matcha is everywhere right now, but when it's loaded with sugar, most of its benefits get masked. Today's version keeps matcha clean, gentle, and actually good for your body. Add almond meal, matcha powder, baking powder, and salt to a bowl, and mix well. Make sure the dry ingredients are evenly combined. Once mixed, add date paste for natural sweetness. If you prefer it sweeter, you can add a bit more or use your sweetener of choice. Pour in the almond milk. Mix until just combined. Matcha is great for your skin because it helps protect it from daily stress. Think of it as keeping your skin calm, clear, and supported from the inside. This texture is perfect, smooth, not too thick. Transfer the batter into a lined baking tray. Top with almond flakes if you like. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. All done! Let it cool completely on a rack before slicing. It's lightly bitter, gently sweet, and incredibly soft. Eat well, age well.